Well, there have now been announcements that the protest will be coming to an end. There have been a lot of detentions that has also taken place here. We've stepped away from the barricade, but if our video journalists can zoom in, you'll be able to see that at the barricade, a lot of protesters are still present. That is where a scuffle had also broken out, wherein protesters tried to pull away the barricades, and then subsequently, a lot of them were also detained into the Delhi Police Duty DTC buses. Post that, we're seeing that people are trying to wrap up the protest here as well. It has gone on for about over 2 hours now. We're reporting from almost 400 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission building, which has been cordoned off, and it is in this stretch of the approach road which leads in from the Durgabai Deshmukh College in South Campus of Delhi University towards the Chanakyapuri area, where the Bangladesh High Commission has been set up. Only in this specific areas where the protest has been allowed to continue. We saw effigies that were burned. There were multiple posters that people were also carrying with the words "All eyes on Bangladeshi Hindu" written. And the key demand remains that the atrocities, the repeated instances of horrendous atrocities that is coming out of Bangladesh needs to be dealt with strictly, whether by the Mohammed Yunus-led interim Bangladesh government or by the Modi government here, in terms of withholding financial aid given to the state. On your screen, as the protesters are exiting, there are also sloganeering that is taking place, anti-Yunus sloganeering, anti-Bangladesh sloganeering. All of that is happening currently as we speak. And on your screens also, a lot of the protesters and the posters that they're carrying too are on Hindu solidarity, are also on standing in solidarity with Deepu Chandra Das as well and his family. And the entire point that the people here, mostly from the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, wanted to register was that these atrocities, it's high time that it is seriously inquired into. Over to you.